Hello students. Today we will start the sum of the n terms of the arithmetic progressions. And these topics in previous lectures we already learned about the n terms of the AP. Okay, so see here. First of that, okay, the sum of nth term, sum of nth term of n AP. Right? So here the sum of n terms is denoted by Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? And or Sn is equal to n by 2 here a plus l, where l means last term. So when last term is given, you apply this kind of formula, and by otherwise general formulas, right? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. Okay. We now the proof. Okay. We see the proof. So consider n AP having nth term. Okay, in which first term is a, right? Okay, common difference. Okay, common difference is called d, right? And last term is equal to l. So last term matlab L, so L is equal to an also, right? So formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now here, so L is equal to a. So our APs become first term a plus d, a plus 2d, okay, up to L minus 2d. Second third term L minus second last term, okay, and L, right? Okay, for this term L means the a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now sum of all the terms Sn is equal to denoted by a plus d, okay, a plus 2d plus up to now soon here L minus 2d, okay, plus L minus d and plus L, right? It is denoted by equation number 1. Now all terms is reverse. हम पूरे टर्म्स को रिवर्स कर दो. All terms are reversed and the sum of these all terms, मतलब first term, second term, third term to last term. अब last term से start करो. So last term L plus L minus d, okay, plus L minus 2d, okay, plus up to now soon a plus 2d, okay, a plus d, okay, and plus a. Clear? Okay. Now sum of both the terms. Okay, equation 1, 2. So Sn plus Sn, how much? 2Sn is equal to here. First term क्या है आपकी यहाँ पे a. Here L, so you put here a plus L plus here second term a plus d, here L minus d. So dd cancel, so again remaining terms are a plus L, right? Plus second term a plus 2d, right? Third term here a plus 2d, here third term L minus 2d. 2d cancel, again a plus L, right? Plus up to now soon a plus L up to n times. Up to n times, right? Okay, so you written here 2Sn is equal to n times a plus L, right? N times है इसके लिए. So Sn क्या मिल गया आपको? So here Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Got it? So this is your first proof. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. But L क्या है? L is the last term, मतलब n terms. Okay, so here put in this equation Sn is equal to n by 2, A as it is, L की value put कर दो. What is the value of L? A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore n by 2 into A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the derivation of the second formulas. Write the sum of n terms. Clear? It's very simple. Okay, to solve what derive. कभी derivation आता नहीं है एग्जाम, बट हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि sums prove that वाले sums depends on these formations. Clear? Okay. Now some importance formula depends on the sums. Okay, and very useful. You need to solve the MCQs and 1 mark question also. इसको पावर पंचिज्म बोलेंगे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है आपके लिए. सबसे पहले okay, here some importance. Okay, some importance normally results. तो कैसे results आप जानते हो? Okay, sum of n terms. First, sum of n. First n. Sum of first n natural numbers. So Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to now soon n. So you simple Sn is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2, sum of n terms. Second, okay, sum of square of first n natural numbers. So Sn is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to now soon n square. तो स्टार्टिंग हम फर्स्ट से इसीलिए लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि 1 से स्टार्ट होगा, तो ये फॉर्मूला आप इजीली इनपुट कर सकते हो. सो हियर n plus 1, 2n plus 1 and by 6. Okay, this one. Okay, also helpful this. Another, third that means okay, sum of cube of first n natural okay numbers. So the Sn that means the 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and plus up to now soon n cube, right? So Sn is equal to n plus 1 by 2, okay, in सबका square, n plus 1 by 2 square. Okay, now fourth another important things here. अगर आपको Sn दिया और आपको n टर्म्स ढूंढना है तो यू अप्लाई दिस Sn into Sn minus 1. ओके, तो रिमेंबर दिस A1 is equal to S1. फर्स्ट टर्म और फर्स्ट टर्म के सम दोनों इक्वल होते हैं, सो A1 is equal to S. सो देयरफॉर A2 ढूंढना है तो क्या कर सकते हो आप, S2 minus S1. ठीक वैसे A3 ढूंढना है तो S3 minus ओके इज अ S2. So similarly an है तो Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here they are all are importance results, so depends on the some kind of the sum of the series. Okay, now here also the some terms. find some terms. Selection of terms, okay, on terms of an AP, right? Arithmetic progressions. तो सबसे पहले पकड़ नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, फिर टर्म्स एंड लास्ट common difference, right? Last is a common difference. Okay, so here first three terms, so three terms, a minus d, a and a plus d, so difference आएगा d. Four terms है, four terms are in a consecutive terms in the AP, then your assumption a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. डिफरेंस यहाँ पे 2d आएगा, तो याद रखना इवन है तो 2d, ऑड है तो d. ओके, 5 टर्म्स, सो हियर a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Clear? Okay, so again difference d because odd. 6 टर्म्स है, तो a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d and a plus 5d. Again difference 2d. Got it? So they are the importance for our sides. Okay, because some find the terms depends on this one kind of questions. Okay, so now we start the some importance point is the arithmetic mean. Okay, it is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of an AP. Okay, here suppose if A, B, C are in AP, right? If A, B, C, मतलब first term, second term, third term are in AP, then B is called arithmetic mean of A and C, right? So B को क्या कहा जाता है? अरिथमेटिक मीन ऑफ A and C. अब कैसे? तो आप जानते हो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में तो क्या है? सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकंड टर्म. So B inside, so 2B is equal to A plus C या C plus A. So B is equal to A plus C by 2. So B is arithmetic mean of this. So some kind of MCQ depends on this arithmetic mean. Okay, understand? So A, B, C are in AP. तीनों टर्म AP में है. So B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C. So B value of B is equal to second term is equal to first term plus third term by 2. Right? Now here if arithmetic mean of two numbers A and B is arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B by 2. अगर दो नंबर है तो आप उसका एवरेज A plus B by 2 निकालोगे. It is called the arithmetic mean. Clear? Okay. Now we start the some sums depends on our exercise 5.3. Okay. So first of that, find the sum of find sum. Question 1. So 2, 7, 12. Okay. 2, 10 terms. Right. We want to find sum. Okay, so first I have need A is equal to 2. Common is different. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Right? Okay. N is equal to 10. A is equal to 2. D. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. N is equal to 10. Clear? Okay. Sn की formula क्या है? So n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put as 10. So 10 by 2. 2. A means 2 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 9 and d that means the 5. Got it? You got it? So here 5. 4 plus 45. So 5 into 49. So we got answer is equal to S10 is equal to, okay, 5 250. So 245. This is our answer. Okay, clear? Okay. Now more sum with all this here. Okay, 2 here. First of that, minus 37, minus 33, okay, minus 29 and plus up to 12 terms, right? So here A is equal to minus 37, D is equal to second term minus minus plus first term. So we got plus 4, right? Here, understand? Okay. So find the 12 terms. So here and also n is equal to 12. So formula S12 is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 12 by 2 into 2 minus 37 plus 11 and d means 4. Bracket close. Okay, here 6 2 से कट कर दिया. Here 14 1 carry forward and 7 minus 74 and plus 44. So we got 6 into bracket minus 30. So we got minus 180. So S12 is equal to minus 180. Clear? Okay. Now more sum here. Third, okay, 0, then after, 0.6, then after 1.7, 2.8 and up to, right, 100 terms, to the 100 terms. Okay, so A is equal to कितना हो गया 0.6, B is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1, N is equal to 100. So Sn is equal to n by 2, here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S100. So here 100 divided by 2 into 2. A कितना है हमारा 0.6, 0.6 plus 99 and d means 1.1, right? Positive 1.1. हमने कट कर दिया, 50 आ गया. ओके, नाउ 1.2 प्लस हियर 9.9, ओके, 99 and 99, sorry. So 9, 18, 1 carry forward, 1089 and 1 point cut it. So simple 108.9, right? Plus 12 कर दो here, the 1.2. Okay, again 1 point cut. So we got 5015 into 110.1. Right, we multiply into 5. So 5 here 055. So simple 5505 is our answer. Clear? Okay. So they are depends on the sum of the n terms kind of sums. Clear? Now fourth one. Yeah, fourth sum, right? So fourth one, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, right? 1 by here 10 and up to how many terms? 11 terms. Up to 11 terms, right? Here. Okay. So here A is equal to 1 by 15. B is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So take the LCM on 12 and 15. So दोनों कहाँ पे मिलते हैं 60 पे. तो LCM is equal to 16. 12 5s are and 15 4s are. Right? तो 12 है तो 5, 15 है तो 4. Okay, upon 16. So we got 1 by 16. Right? और n तो दिया हुआ है कितना है 11. So n is equal to 11. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S11, 11 by 2, right? 2. ये कितना है हमारा यहाँ पे 1 by 15. अब 2 by 15 लिख सकते हो प्लस मल्टीप्लाई करके. ओके, d is equal to 1 by 16. बट a तो कितना है 10. ओके, 11 minus 1 10. अपना कट कर दिया 6. ओके, 6 और 5 तो 15 to the LCM 11 by 2. आपका LCM 6 और 15 का LCM कितना आ गया 13. 15 2 जा 13 and 6 5 जा दोनों 13 पे मिलते हैं तो मिल गया. अगर यहाँ पे 15 है तो 2 so 4 2 2 जा right 6 5 जा so 5. So I got 11 by 2 into 9 by 13. शायद you cut it, sorry 2 as it is 3, right, and 10. So our answer is equal to 33 by 20. The sum of n terms 33, okay, and by 20, right? Okay. Now another terms, okay, for this kind of question number 2, sum of series, right? First one is 7 plus 10 and half plus 14, right, and plus up to now soon, okay, 84. Here not up to is given and 1 plus 2 plus it is called the arithmetic series. जब सीक्वेंस के अंदर ऐड हो जाता है तो वो सीरीज बन जाती है. इट इज कॉल्ड द अरिथमेटिक सीरीज. इज a is given, okay, and d is given and also the n terms is given, right, but n is not given. और हमें सम भी ढूंढना है. तो here a is equal to 7, okay, d सिंपल फॉर्म में ला दो 20 and 21. So 21 by 2 minus 7. Take the LCM minus 14 by 2. We got 7 by 2. Right? Okay. And last term, yeah, an is also given that 84. Use this an is equal to 84 formula. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 84. Right? Okay. This one is 84. Now a, that means 7. D 7 by 2 and unknown, so 84. First 7 inside, okay, so 7 by 2 into n minus 1 is equal to minus कर दो 84 minus 7, 84 minus 7, so 77, right? Okay, 84 minus 7, so 77. So here n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7, right? So here very simple, n minus 1 is equal to 11 into 2. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. So we got n is equal to 23. Understand? N is equal to 23. But we want to find the sum of all these terms. Okay. So formula, when the last term is given. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, right? So our formula is, when the last term is given, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, right? N by 2 a plus l here. So the S23 is equal to 23 by 2. First term 7, last term 84 in this arithmetic series, right? So here 23 by 2 into, add this normally, so 7, okay, so 91, how much? 91. So we multiply this 91 into 23, okay, so here 91, So 0, 2 and 18, 3 ones are and 27. So 3, 9, 0, 2. So here 2093 by 2. Fraction में आप ला दो mixed fraction के अंदर. So 0, 1, okay 2. 0 है तो as it is. 4, okay 6 and half. Right? Got it? So this one is the final answer, sum of the n terms. Clear? Okay. So this simply the sum of the n terms kind of formulas. Okay. Understand? Okay. We will discuss more sums. Okay. In the normally in the next lectures. Okay. I think you understand the all theoretical points. Okay. Bye students.